Okay, I am doing this video. We are going to do this question, actually. I'm on the wrong one. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. I am going to go through this. I did not get to finish these ones in class, so I will go through these with you so that you have some guided practice. Okay, so when we're given a formula, we're going to want to use it. The formula that we're given here is the A equals PRT. So I'm going to plug in the A, the P, the E equals E, R, and then T. So when we're looking at this, the problem says she was born, her grandmother deposited $5,000. It says that, I know that this is my starting amount. And then it says that her rate will be 1.3%. Now that 1.3, while that is a decimal, it's not converted into a decimal. It's still a percent. So we need to divide 1.3 by 100. So we get 0.013. And then we know our time is saying, what is the balance after 15 years? So 15 there. So when it says, what is the balance? That means I'm solving for A. So then if the formula is this, that means I just have to type in my calculator 5,000 times E to the 0.013 times 15. And we're going to plug all of that in our calculator, and that gives us an ending balance. So go ahead and do that now. Okay, so when I plug that in, I type in 5,000, and then I do second division. So the second button is that blue one, and then, or not division, sorry, second natural log, which is this button right next to the 4, and that gives you e to the x, which allows you to type in all of that. So 5,000 times e, and I'm putting this in my screen so you can see it, 5,000 e to the 0.013 times 15, and you get the answer of $6,076.55. So the final answer is A equals 6,070. I already forgot what I said. 6 and 55 cents. And it is $1. Okay, so that is how you would do meeting for advanced. If you're doing an advanced level problem like this one, you would be plugging everything in. So again, we're using the same formula. And it says an account earning, so I know I'm going to do A, P, E equals E, R, and then T. So, oops, my A says I started with a principal of 3,000. So, I'm sorry, so I don't know what A is, but my principal is 3,000, E equals E. I do know my rate, 1.12%. Now remember that's a percent, so we have to divide that by 100, so I get 0.0112. And then it says, how long? So that means I don't know how long it will take, but how long will it take to reach a balance, an ending balance of $10,000? So then I get 10,000 equals 3,000 times e to the 0.0112 times t. Oops, those are parentheses, sorry. Times t. So now I have this whole thing is unknown, and I need to get everything away from it. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3,000. And I'm going to convert, oops, not 30,000. This doesn't work, just 3,000. So then you do 10,000 divided by 3, which is, I do that. 30, or it's going to be 3.3333. I'm just going to go to the 4th decimal place since that's what we're doing, have been doing in class. So e to the 0.0112 times t. Okay, so now I have a base raised to some unknown power is equal to a number, which is what I wanted. Whenever I can, I want to use this form so I can use log to solve for it. And I have an e, so I'm going to use natural log. So I am going to take the natural log of 3.333, and that's going to be equal to the natural log of e to the 0.0112 times t. Then I can apply the power rule. Oops. I can apply the power rule, and I'm going to get natural log of 3.33 is equal to 0.0112 times t times the natural log of e. Okay, the reason why we do natural log is the natural log of e is 1. That is just a 1. So now I have this, and then I just need to divide both sides by 0.0112. So in my calculator, I'm going to type natural log 3.3333 divided by 0.0112, and I get that the time would take 107.5 years. Wow, that would take a long time. So, if you want to see what it looks like in the calculator, I've got natural log of 3.33333 divided by 0.0112, and that gives you 107.5 years. All right, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Please read the questions on the test carefully. If it gives you a formula, then just try to find the things that you don't know, and that is it. All right, so I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Good luck.